we'll guide you through how to make a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your computer. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and press Enter to open Gmail. Once Gmail loads, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down, hover over to Cast, Save and Share, and select Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name the shortcut. You can keep it as Gmail or change it to your preference. Then click Create. Now go to your desktop and you'll see the Gmail shortcut icon. You can drag it to the taskbar or Start menu for easier access. Clicking on it will now take you directly to Gmail without opening a browser tab. That's it! You've successfully created a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tips. Thanks for watching.